I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your SIM card on Vodafone without losing your number or data is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Backup your data. Before you start, make sure to back up any important data on your current SIM card. This can include contacts, messages, and any other information you may need. Step 2. Power off your device. Turn off your phone completely to ensure safe SIM card removal. This prevents any potential damage to your device or the SIM card itself. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on your device. Use SIM eject tool or a paperclip to gently open the tray and remove the old SIM card. Step 4. Insert the new SIM card. Take your new SIM card and place it into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly and is oriented correctly. Push the tray back into the device until it clicks into place. Step 5. Power on and configure. Turn your device back on. You may need to adjust some settings to ensure your new SIM card is recognized, such as checking the network settings. If you have a dual SIM phone, make sure to select the new SIM as your primary. Remember, if you encounter any issues with connectivity after the switch, a quick restart of your device can often resolve them. Happy switching!